Looking for a mechanical keyboard that delivers lightning-fast response and unbeatable precision? The Logitech GPro mechanical keyboard is engineered specifically for esports athletes who demand top-tier performance. Its pro-grade Romer G switches register keypresses 25% faster than standard mechanical switches, so your commands hit the screen almost instantly. What really sets this keyboard apart is its durability. Built to withstand up to 70 million keystrokes, it's designed to handle the most intense gaming sessions without missing a beat. The compact, tenkeyless design frees up valuable desk space, giving you more room for swift mouse movements and easy transport to tournaments or LAN parties. I switched from a Razer keyboard and was surprised by how much I prefer the Romer G switches. They're quieter yet still provide a satisfying tactile feel, making long gaming or typing sessions more comfortable. The reduced noise means no more distracting clicks, which is a huge plus when you want to stay focused or game late without bothering others. Beyond speed and quiet operation, the Logitech GPro offers thoughtful features like customizable RGB lighting with multiple patterns to match your setup. The Game Mode button disables the Windows key, preventing accidental interruptions during critical moments. Plus, onboard memory saves your lighting and macro settings, so you're ready to go wherever you play. The detachable micro USB cable with a secure 3-prong design ensures hassle-free setup and safe transport. Whether you're heading to a tournament or just moving between rooms, you can pack it up without worrying about damage or loose connections. Stability is also covered, thanks to 3-step angle adjustments and rubber feet that keep the keyboard firmly in place during intense gameplay. If you're running Windows 7 or later, or macOS X 10 and up, this keyboard integrates seamlessly with your system. It supports 87-key anti-ghosting and 26-key rollover, giving you precise control even when multiple keys are pressed simultaneously. That level of responsiveness is crucial for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. Worth a look if you want a keyboard that combines speed, durability, and portability without compromise. The Logitech GPro mechanical keyboard isn't just built for gamers, it's built for winners. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup and gain that competitive edge.